Go online to our website to leave your response.
Meanwhile, we're following the aftermath of yesterday's storms across our area. The National Weather Service office at State College surveyed Columbia County early this morning.
Yeah, we had a line of storms move through Columbia County and Berwick in particular there. And looks like we had estimated peak winds in the 90 to 100 mile an hour range after assessing the damage with county emergency management. And then in terms of the type of damage is what we call straight line and then downburst. So essentially where things are flowing in one direction.
The National Weather Service confirmed the storm was not a tornado, but it was a downburst that caused extensive damage to the area.
And the cleanup continues tonight after storms yesterday left behind damage all across Northeast PA, especially in Columbia County, like you just saw. Fox 56's Sam Durante went to Berwick to see the aftermath and how people are cleaning up.
This rubble behind me was Bloomingdale's on Martsville Road in Berwick. It's one of the many buildings that sustained substantial damage during Wednesday evening's storm. The 156-year-old building was a church with a cemetery turned gift shop, but it now lays in ruin after a storm that the residents call chaotic.
Just a mess. I mean, trees down. I mean, it was chaos. I'd never seen it this bad before. It's been rough. It's been really crazy. I'd never seen it like this in 17 years. This is probably one of the worst ones I've seen.
An area that was hit especially hard during the storm was St. Mary's Cemetery. Local pastor Father Barbie is hopeful the community can help with the cemetery cleanup.
It looks like there's massive trees down, so it's going to be pretty extensive, and we'll probably need all the help we can get. This is a place where we honor those who have gone before us. We have many families that have loved ones who are buried here, so this is sacred ground.
Many residents are still without power and road access, but crews are working tirelessly to return the borough to business as usual.
A lot of AWP crews have been out 16 hours plus. We have people all over the area, northeast, south, here. Seems that Berwick got the most of the impact.
The storm cleanup is far from over. Robert Gilberthorpe with AWP feels the best way to proceed is to help each other out.
AWP, us here, will be out for a couple days doing this. So if there's any volunteers or get your kids out to help your neighbor and just start cleaning up the neighborhood and help each other out.
In Columbia County, I'm Sam Durante with Fox 56 News, first at 10.
And if you have storm videos or pictures, you can always send them to our Chime In page at fox56.com.
Also tonight, storm damage could be seen in Carbon County. The National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey, conducted a storm survey for Kidder Township. Peak winds were estimated to be between 90 to 100 miles per hour.
Based on the amount of tree damage we saw and the severity of tree damage we saw, estimated maximum wind speeds along this swath were between 100 and 110 miles per hour.
I would say hundreds of trees that were impacted in terms of roots being ripped up, tops of trees being toppled off, trees on houses, wires down. It was a real mess.
No deaths or injuries were reported from the storm.
And utility crews have been making significant progress on getting power restored following yesterday's storms, but there are still some counties in our area with thousands of outages. Here's a look at the tracking map in real time. Columbia County still reporting 3,500 outages, Schuylkill County 2,800, Northampton County 6,700, Carbon County 420, and Lehigh County 2,700.
Those storms also left many roads closed or restricted. Here's a look at some closed roads in Columbia County, many of them because of downed trees and utilities. You can find a full list on our website, fox56.com.
The murder trial for Brian Kohberger, who's accused of fatally stabbing 4 University of Idaho students, is set to begin in June of next year. A judge proposed the trial date today, as well as deadlines for other legal filings in the case. But the defense cautioned